Alright, we're going to go for a nice sunset flight to the river, honey. Should be good. Yeah, let's send it, hey?
Yeah.
2 stages, slight crosswind from the right. Let's go! Airspeed's alive, rotate. Climbs really well. Oh geez, I'd really like some food right now.
Yeah, no, that'd be great.
Yeah, we're getting a bit hungry.
There's some nice hot food.
Hey, what's this bell do?
I don't know. Hello, sir. What would you like to eat today?
Oh yeah, I'm ready for like tea. What do you have?
We have butter chicken, chili con carne, or fish that no one likes.
Fish that no one's like. Oh, I'm not going to have that, am I?
Probably not.
I'll have the chili con carne, thanks.
Okay, coming right up. We've got croissants, chocolate croissants, or muffins.
I'll just have a normal croissant, please.
Okay.
Oh, just whip that out of nowhere.
Here you go, sir. Hope you enjoy your meal. Let me know if you want anything else.
Okay, thank you. Wow. This in-flight food service is awesome. I was thinking I should watch a movie later.
Do you want me to put one on?
Air crash investigations.
What? Here you go, sir.
Oh, wicked. Air crash investigation.
Oh, true story.
Oh, I'm going to enjoy this.
Yeah.
I've finished with my meal, thanks.
Yes, sir?
Hey, oh, you're back. Yeah, I'd just like to have a little, do you have any drinks and could I have a snack with my movie?
Yes, we do. For drinks, we have some pineapple sparkling water, or we've got some Coke, or some water, or coffee, tea.
I'll have the Coke Zero, thanks.
Yep.
Thank you.
What would you like for snacks?
Yeah, I saw you had Pringles on the menu earlier.
Yes, we do.
Oh,
Do you want some sour cream and onion?
yeah, my fave. Awesome.
Would you like some chocolate with that?
Yeah, oh, really? Oh, right. How's the service?
Enjoy your snacks and movie.
Oh, this is service. You see the Murray Princess down there as well. This is like, what? Flight. I got the Murray Princess.
Yeah.
We got in-flight service. I'm getting to watch my favourite, air disasters. This is the life. We're just going around Big Ben now. Really nice time of the day to fly.
Yeah.
Doing any Pringles?
Stealing the customer's food. You're having to pay tax. Like
Yeah.
service tax.
That's my tip.
Do you want me to take your money, sir?
Oh yeah, no worries. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was delicious. Yeah, I had to loosen the seatbelts a little bit. Whew. Yeah, it was perfect. I mean, it was good to watch it while I'm watching these guys crash planes and figure out how that's happened.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Yeah.
I I've never ate so much food in such a short flight.
Yep.
Yeah, cabin crew, prepare the cabin for landing.
Tray tables must be up now. Seats in the upright position, ready for landing at Skyhill.
So cringy.
Yep.
So cringy. Alright, we'll get this bird back on the ground.
Yep.
Oh well, thanks for flying Skyhill Mike Airlines today. Hope everyone's enjoyed their flight. Looks like it's just a pleasant 5 knots from the northeast on the ground. Hope you choose to fly with us again next time. And just remember that South Australia has some strict quarantine laws. No food or veg or dirt or animal products. Please discard them in the bins provided inside the airport. And pick up your baggage from the dirt somewhere. See you next time.
Yeah, so yeah, we just obviously filmed that funny little video of getting a meal in the plane. That was pretty tasty, wasn't it?
Mhm.
Well, it was for me. I had to smash it, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was Taylor's idea. Had a little air hosty outfit from a bit of a dance thing dance concert you did a couple of years ago.
Mhm.
So yeah, we just had to hurry up and do it before you grew out of it. But yeah, it was your idea, and it worked really well, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even the Coke. I mean, well, if you do nice balanced turns, I found out you don't even have to hold on to your Coke. So yeah. But yeah, epic weather for it today. There was a fog until about 11 o'clock today. So yeah, it's just nice, smooth, golden hour flight. You're going to be back for a few more flights, hopefully.
Seal Bay.
Yeah, we want to do on the Kangaroo Island, Seal Bay with Taylor. It's just a short drive from where the airfield, and he's got a courtesy car there for us. So that'll be great to get back there. Maybe take the tent, and yeah, you drive down and right near the beach, walk on the beach where all the seals hang out and all the little seal pups and stuff. So that'll be cool. Yeah. A few other flights should be coming up. Mum's pretty keen to go for another flight somewhere. And Bailey, always keen to go for a flight. Bailey's still chipping away at his flying licence, so maybe, I don't know, hopefully this goes on YouTube pretty quick. But yeah, he's progressing really well as expected. Oh yeah, you just wanted to add one last thing?
Yeah, pretty much the smell of the chili con carne in the plane made the fuel smell go away, so it wasn't as sickening.
Ah, so we're going to have chili con carne at the start of every flight.
And then grain waves for snacks.
Yeah. I must say the Pringles were pretty good too, weren't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah, it was pretty funny. It was good. We actually
Bit cringy.
bit cringy. We heated up the meal before takeoff, and then wrapped it in some
Containers and tea
containers
towels.
and tea towels, and it stayed pretty warm.
Yeah.
So that was maybe we'll actually start doing that on flights in general, just for why not? When they're smooth.
It smells good in there.
Yeah, yeah, it worked. It worked really well. But it was perfect day to it. The air was so smooth, I pretty much didn't have to touch the controls. So
Yeah.
all right, yeah, and you'll probably see there too. We ripped around and did a few landings and trying all the different runways because there wasn't much wind, and yeah, they're in need of a mow. We've had a really good season here, so the crop's going to be good. Yeah, cool. All right, let's go. Next one.
Yep.
Gonna go around the tree. left it on.
Oh, like warning might get cringe.
I get cringy.